Hey guys, what's up? So it is Christmas morning, and my brother's here. I'm cooking, and it'll overall be good time. So I decided to bring you along on my Christmas day. So welcome and enjoy.
Merry Christmas, Cody.
It's so sturdy. Ooh, yeah. Thank you. I could keep my coffee warm. I always have to warm up my coffee, so I'm like, I want it to stay warm.
How about a striptease?
Wow.
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
I didn't ask for this for Christmas. The 80-year-olds that watch my channel are gonna be hot, heavy, smashing that thumbs up.
Open it? She thinks it's fine. You wanna open it, Marley?
Guy that films for It's Alive. Okay.
Alright. Now that, okay. I'm used to holding the camera, so this feels really weird to me.
What do I do with my hands?
Yeah, so I'm making Christmas dinner. So we're doing Brussels sprouts, mashed potatoes, we got pork loin, which is right here. I'm about to make like some spices for the roasted pork loin. And then I'm gonna do some like sauteed green apples to go on top of the pork loin. And that's it. It's pretty simple. Hey guys, what's up? So, it's like a few days later actually. Today is Thursday, and I stopped filming. Carly. I stopped filming after I was like cooking and stuff just because I wanted to spend some time with my family and not like have a camera and just be bothered by remembering, oh, I should film this. So that's my bad, but I'm back home now and Christmas is over. I'm kind of sad just because like it's always sad to say goodbye to my brother. I hate living across the country from him, so yeah, I don't get to see him very often, so it's kind of like, you know, he's there one day and then gone the next, and then I just feel like I don't know when I'm gonna see him again. But yeah, back home, just doing some work, the usual, getting back into my daily life. Carly is back to sucking on her beloved blanket here. She had a rough day. She doesn't get along with other dogs too well, so my brother's dog is like the sweetest dog, and she still just wanted to eat her. But yeah, so thank you for joining along on the little bit of Christmas that I recorded, and sorry I didn't just keep recording that day. My birthday's coming up, but no one cares. That's the downside of like having a January birthday that comes so close to the holidays. People are like partied out and they're just like, what are we celebrating? I'm pretty sure I'd never want to like celebrate again. Anyways, the other positive thing is that it is 2019 pretty soon. I do have goals that I will talk about. I'll do another video on that. And of course, you know, I'm doing online training, and you get a free ebook download if you purchase before or on January 1st. So if you're looking to train with me, now's the time. And time to start 2019 off strong. Alright guys, that's it for now. Peace out. I'll see you next time.